Hi everyone, for my assignments titled Beeswax as a moisture-resistant agent in papermaking, I used Reaxys as a professional scientific database to find reliable and relevant research articles. Here's how I did it. For the step 1, log in to Reaxys. I accessed www.reaxys.com through my university library portal and logged in with my student credentials. For the step 2, in the search bar, I type the keywords beeswax moisture resistance paper and click the search icon to begin. And then for the step 3, Reaxys shows me a list of scientific articles related to my topic. For example, one useful paper was Effect of Beeswax on Hydrophobicity, Moisture Resistance and Transparency of UV Curable Coating for Compostable Paper, published in Industrial Crops and Products 2023. And for the step 4, I click on Abstract to understand the article's main points and check if it discussed moisture resistance, paper coatings, and beeswax. And for the step 5, I click the full text link. This opened the article on the publisher's website where I could read or download the PDF if my university had access. And for the step 6, once I found a useful article, I download it, and Reaxys also gives options to export references in APA or BibTeX format for easy referencing. So, for use in my assignments, the information I found through Reaxys helped me explain how beeswax improves water resistance in paper, its biodegradability and eco-friendly nature, and also recent studies that supports its effectiveness. So overall, the Axis helps me get high quality scientific data from trusted journals, which made my assignments more credible and informative. Thank you.